Hello, Mrs Etherington here. In this video you will find your Derrick for the reading activity. Pause the video to give yourself time to read the text and to answer the questions. Then press play to hear the answers. Here is the text you will need to read to complete the questions in the Derrick. Pause the video now to give yourself a chance to read the text in advance. Here you'll find your Derrick. Pause the video now to give yourself a chance to read the questions and answer them. Press play when you are ready for the answers. Now it's time to go through the answers to the Derrick. D. The word is government. E. What is a government? The definition of a government is a group of people with the authority to make decisions on behalf of the people that live in that country or state. R. Before the NHS was established, what would happen if you could not afford medical treatment? Now this is a retrieval question, so we should be able to copy or extract information from the text to answer this question fully. And it says, only wealthy people could afford to go to the hospital or get medical help. Every visit to a doctor or dentist would cost the person money. If the person could not afford it, they did not receive the treatment that they needed. So if you could not afford medical treatment, you did not get medical treatment. I. Do you think the system in place before the NHS was fair? And use evidence from the text. With this being an interpret question, you may say yes, it was fair, or you may say no, it wasn't fair. But as long as you're using the text to back up your idea, you're probably on the right lines. So for example, you may say, no, it wasn't a fair system because people should have the right to medical support regardless of how much money they have. That's one answer, but if you have a different idea and you've backed it up, that's fine. C. Why do you think the author included a paragraph about medical care before the NHS was created? The author may have done this to help you understand the position the country was in before the NHS was formed, or to compare the two different systems. It's always helpful to know the history so that you can understand the current system a little bit better.